Today we're going to be pulling out some small stumps with the truck. These stumps aren't too big, but they can be a little bit of work. But I just want to get rid of these ones right away. We have a method for poisoning them that works pretty good, but I don't want to wait a year for them to rot out. So these ones are a little smaller than the ones we've been dealing with lately. So we're gonna take a look at these two stumps. These are the ones that I pulled out already. All right, they're pretty small. See, put my foot there. That's about the size of them. And there's another one right there. That one's a little bigger. They can be a bear, but if you get them just right, you can get them out without too much work. I'd say about 15 minutes a piece, or maybe a little less on those stumps. And then this one right here is the next one we're going to get out. Now this one's bigger than those other ones. It's got more trunks coming out of it, but I think I can get it. On this stump right here, we actually had to cut a little bit with a reciprocating saw to get this one to break right here. You can see where we cut it. Just a bit. We just cut about half of it through with a reciprocating saw, and it just weakened it enough to pull it out. This stump here, I didn't have to dig out that much. I just dug right underneath here. This is a good pulling point. This whole thing will pull. Now, I don't think this first attempt is going to do much, and you don't want to pull your bumper off your truck or anything like that, so you don't want to get like a running start and yank it. But we got it hooked up to the truck, and we're going to give it a few tugs, try to weaken it up and get some of the dirt off of it. We'll see what we can do. It might pull out. It just depends on how strong the main trunk is, but it appears to be pretty strong. We're just using this strap here. The strap will hold it. There you have it. That was a nice big stump, and it came out easier than I thought it would. Sometimes they don't pull out that easy if the roots are bigger, but we wanted to get this one out. That was about 10 minutes worth of work. Well worth it. So we got all these stumps out of here. Now I can clear this, plant some grass. So if you want to get rid of some stumps, some smaller ones, that's a really good way to do it.